Hi, I'm Eric, head trainer here at Just Add Power, and today we're talking about the two types of training that Just Add Power provides: in-person and remote. In-person installation training is hosted once a month here at our headquarters in Seminole, Florida. While here, you learn to design and build a Just Add Power system with hands-on experience with a trainer helping you all along the way. In-person training also qualifies for AVIXA and CEDIA education units. You get to Florida and we'll handle everything else. To sign up for in-person installation training, go to our website under the Support and Training option and click the In-Person tab. Here, you will find a pre-registration interest form. Fill out the form, choosing your class date, and hit Submit. If you need more information, click the orange Details button at the top of the page. Remote installation training involves a series of videos that you can watch from the comfort of your home or office. A dedicated member of our technical support staff is available to answer questions when needed. Additionally, installers located in the United States can request a remote training kit to get hands-on experience alongside the videos. To sign up for remote installation training, go to our website under the Support and Training option and click the Remote tab. Here, you'll find a pre-registration interest form. Fill out the form, and if you need more information, click the orange Details button at the top of the page. If you're not quite ready for a technical training yet, or if your job involves more of the system design and planning, sign up for a personalized webinar to go over Just Add Power features with a member of our sales team. Go to the website under the How It Works option and click the Webinar tab. Select a date and time that works best for your schedule, and a sales team member will reach out to you shortly. From system design to on-site installation to our renowned technical support team, Just Add Power has the tools and resources that you need to make every system a success. Sign up for the training that works best for you. And thanks for watching.